Hey there, Science Squad. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are transforming into junior scientists, like detectives with lab coats and goggles. Ever wondered how scientists discover all those amazing things about the world? Buckle up, because we are about to embark on a thrilling investigation. Step 1. Observing like a super snooper. Imagine yourself as a secret agent with super sharp eyes and ears. The very first step in any scientific procedure is called observation. This means using all your amazing senses, sight, touch, smell, hearing, and even taste with adult supervision, of course, to gather information about something that interests you. Let's take a peek at these awesome animals. Can you observe the cheetah's spots and how they might help it hide from prey? How about the rough, bumpy texture of an elephant's trunk? By closely observing, we start building a picture of what's happening around us. Step 2. Questioning like a curious creature. Next comes the most fun part, asking questions. Just like a playful puppy or a curious kitten, scientists are always wondering why and how. Why do you think cheetahs are so incredibly fast? How do you think elephants use their trunks to grab objects and drink water? These questions become the fuel that keeps our scientific journey going. They are like the spark that ignites our curiosity. Step 3. Researching like a bookworm supreme. Now, imagine yourself as a bookworm, diving headfirst into a world of knowledge. This is where research comes in. Scientists use books, websites, and even talk to other experts to learn what's already known about their topic. Did you know cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth? Or those elephant trunks have over 40,000 muscles. That's more muscles than your whole body. Research helps us build upon the amazing discoveries that scientists have made before us. Step 4. Hypothesis, a bold guess. Based on all your observing and researching, it's time for a hypothesis. This is basically an educated guess about what you think might happen. For example, your hypothesis could be: cheetahs run faster because their spots help them blend in with tall grass during a hunt. Step 5. Experimenting, putting our guess to the test. Now, the real adventure begins, the experiment. This is where you design a test to see if your hypothesis holds true. Remember, safety first. Always ask an adult for help when conducting experiments. Here's a simple experiment you can try. You could build a maze with different colored paper to see if a toy car goes faster through a specific color. Step 6. Data recording our super findings. As a scientist, it's important to be super organized. During your experiment, carefully record your data. This could be writing down observations, like how long it took the car to travel through each colored section, taking pictures of your experiment setup, or even drawing charts to show your findings. Data is like the treasure you collect on your scientific quest. Step 7. Analyzing and drawing conclusions. After the experiment is complete, it's time to analyze your data. Use your magnifying glass brain to examine your findings closely. Did your results support your hypothesis? Or did you discover something new and unexpected? Maybe the car went fastest through a different color than you thought. Step 8. Sharing and communicating. Science is all about sharing and learning from each other. The final step is to share your findings with others. This could be through a presentation in class, writing a report like a real scientist, or even creating a cool poster to show off your discoveries. Imagine explaining your experiment to your classmates and being a science rock star. So, Science Squad, are you ready to put on your lab coats and goggles and start investigating the world around you? Remember, Scientific procedures are a powerful tool for uncovering the secrets of our universe. Keep observing like super snoopers, questioning like curious creatures, and experimenting like fearless scientists. There's a whole world of amazing discoveries waiting for you. If you enjoyed this adventure into scientific procedures, give this video a thumbs up. Want to see more cool science content that will make you a science whiz? Subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of science.